How to reset Bank of America online banking password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Have you forgotten your password for Bank of America? If yes, this video is for you. So let's get started. To reset your password, first you will need to head over to the login page. So simply search for login to Bank of America and head over to this top link. After you head over here, what you'll need to do is you'll see this user ID and password section where you'll have to type in your user ID. So just type in your correct user ID. And under this password section, simply tap on forgot your password. After you tap on this, you'll be prompted to another page where you will be asked for verification. So just give them your card or account number, the last 6 digits of them, and your social security number. Then tap on continue and you'll be prompted to your resetting section where you will be asked for verification. Then you will just be able to type in the new password. After that, you're basically done and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.